Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well, and in this video I'm going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to get voucher code in VIVAMAX 2025, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as if you can see, we are already in VIVAMAX.net, and here if you want any voucher code, then we need to be visit here in lazada.com.ph, and in here you can see we have bunch of products over here. We can purchase it like it is one kind of e-commerce platform. So here we need to be search it, that will be VIVAMAX, and I need to be check it am I robot or not. So I'm going to check it, and let's do it. Let's select motorcycle again, and then let's select on verify. Once I click over here, it doesn't work, so let's finish it and I will come back again. So after completing this problem, so now I have the option to search. So I'm going to search for VMAX code. So here you can see we have VMAX premium subscription premium code, and you can check this out one by one. So you need to be purchase one code, then you are allowed to use a code in here. So I hope you understand how the easy of the process is, and if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.